1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, anyway, you get the idea. Pretty cool song, you've heard it before. That's how I'm going to teach it to you, the original way that I believe he plays it. It looks like it. And the hard thing about the song is the feel of the song, getting that, because it's like you feel it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, but it's got a triplet feel, meaning each note has got 3 notes, triplet. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it feels like a shuffle, but you're playing every beat. So like, and that's the hard thing about the song. The chords are kind of intermediate, advanced level, but the feel of the song is pretty tough to get down. So that's going to be the challenge of the song, but I'm going to spend some time teaching you the picking pattern and teaching you it in a really good way to kind of get your head around it, okay? The chords of the song are simple. I'll just quickly show you the chords. You can get them all in the PDF with the chords and lyrics. Let me just show you how this sheet looks. It's got all the chords at the right places and the picking pattern, which we'll get into now. But let me just first show you the chord shapes. So these are the 3 chord shapes that they use in the song. We've got capo on the 2nd fret, and we're going to start with the F sharp minor relative to the capo. So thumb here, and then these 2 fingers. This one here, and then these 2 here. It comes from the F sharp minor bar chord, and this makes your F sharp chord really shine. It's just beautiful, beautiful shape. And just the thumb you can put nice and close to the fret to get that nice muted bass sound. You get the idea. And then for the A, we're going to go to the 5th fret, and just instead of the index finger being there, the middle finger is going to be here to make it an A major. Okay, so there's A. And then later we're going to do B minor over here, E, and also add the pinky sometimes to get the E sus4, and then a C sharp minor is the other shape that we're going to use in the bridge. Okay, so that's for the chords. The picking pattern goes like this. The orange notes are the ones that you want to accent, okay? Especially these ones, the ones on the higher strings. My pen's not working, sorry. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're back. So let me just walk you through this picking pattern. We're going to play an F sharp minor chord, and these 2 fingers are going to be anchored on these 2 strings, the 2 middle strings, and the thumb is going to be at the top. So I'm going to play it slowly, faster, and then I'm going to go slower and slower. Very difficult to count and play it at the same time, but just be aware all the notes are of equal rhythmic value. So you'll be tempted to not play them at equal value, to go but the best way, trust me on this, is to play it in succession, and then later you can make those notes softer, but your hand should be used to so you see my hands here, and later when we strum it's going to down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 sorry for that dodgy chord, but you get the idea. That's basically how it goes. And then in the verses you're going to not play the G string. You're just going to. Let's go to the verse. She told me she was hollow. It's far from what I see. So I'm not doing the, but you can later bring in the extra string. So what he does is he kind of plays it, and then as he progresses with the song, he starts adding the G string and sometimes the B string. Let me show you what he does on the E chord a lot of the times. He doesn't do that, but you get the idea. And then on the chorus, it's pretty cool. It goes, look at my hand here. I'm kind of anchoring it here on the bass and then kind of doing, this is kind of my hand position. Okay, so sometimes she's loved, sometimes she's broken, sometimes she's closed, sometimes she's open and don't be afraid. Oh, that was bad. Okay, so in the bridge we've got the zoo. And it's just like some reharmonization kind of thing. D and B minor are the same. C minor A, and then the C sharp minor is like an E. Functions the same as an E. But anyway, that's pretty nice. And then you just keep that kind of strumming thing throughout the rest of the bridge. And now I'm getting really tired of talking. Have a nice day, guys. Check the links in the description. I give private lessons. If you want some private lessons, paste and tailored specifically to your skill level and your playing preference music style, then click the link and let's have a lesson. Let's have a chat. First lesson free. Stay cool, guys. Keep it funky.